I'm in my 40s. And everywhere I look, the world feels uncertain. Inflation. War. Economic slowdown. It makes investing feel risky. Especially if you're starting later in life. But here's what I've learned. Uncertainty isn't new. Markets have always gone through crises. And they've always recovered over time. In 2020, during COVID, markets fell more than 30% in just weeks. It felt like the world was shutting down. But within a year, markets had recovered and moved higher. In 2022, inflation and war caused another downturn. Markets struggled for over a year. But eventually, they stabilized and recovered. And if you go back further, in 2008, during the financial crisis, markets fell more than 50%. It felt like the entire system was breaking. But over time, markets didn't just recover, they reached new highs. Every crisis feels different when you're in it. But the pattern is surprisingly consistent. Markets fall, and then they recover. If you're investing in your 40s, you still have 20 years or more ahead of you. That's enough time for recovery. And enough time for compounding to work. So instead of reacting to headlines, I focus on a few simple principles. First, diversification. Don't rely on one country or one market. Spread your investments globally. Second, consistency. I invest regularly. Every week. No matter what the news says. Because timing the market rarely works. Third, keep it simple. No chasing trends. No trying to predict the next big thing. Just broad, long-term investing. And finally, mindset. The real risk isn't volatility. It's staying out of the market and missing years of growth. I used to wait for the right time, but there's always something to worry about. The best time to invest is when you have a plan and you stick to it. If you're in your 40s, you don't need to take big risks. You just need consistency and time. Like and subscribe if this helped you think more clearly about investing. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. In the next video, I'll show you a simple portfolio approach for building long-term wealth starting from your 40s.